In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit a sitemap to Google Search Console. So this was a sitemap I generated for my WordPress website. If you want a video which shows you how to do that, I'll leave it in the description below, or you can just go ahead and search it on my channel. So this is a sitemap for my WordPress website, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Google, and then we want to go to Google Search Console. Easiest way to get there is just to search for it. Once you've made that search, you want to click on the first window and then click Start Now. And if you're logged into Google Search Console, or if you're logged into Google, it will then take you straight there. Okay, so now we're in Google Search Console. Now, if you haven't already, you need to add your website to Google Search Console. I'll just quickly do that. So we click on the property section, then you want to go to add property and enter in your domain. So if I go ahead and go to my WordPress website, then click visit site, we can just copy my domain here, which is knowledgebasetutorials.com. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in here. Okay, so after I've done that, we can then click continue, and it's then going to verify the property. Now, maybe you've already added your website to Google Search Console. If you haven't, you just need to follow the instructions on screen, then click done. Now, once you've added it, you want to go ahead and make sure you're selecting that property on Google Search Console. And now we can go ahead and add our sitemap. So you want to then go to sitemaps. Here it's going to ask you for a sitemap URL. Now what we want to do is go to the sitemap that we created. I'm going to copy the link to the sitemap, which is going to be the first link for me. Or if you've got a link to your sitemap already, you don't need to follow this instruction, just copy the link you've got. Then go back to Google Search Console and paste in your sitemap here. Click submit, and there you go. In a second, we will have submitted the sitemap. And there you go. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. So click got it, and that's all you've got to do to add a sitemap to Google Search Console.